Unit 1. The Earth. 1. The Sun and the Earth. Hello children. The Earth, which is the third planet from the Sun, takes 24 hours to rotate. This is what causes day and night. The shape of Earth approximates an oblate spheroid, a sphere flattened along the axis from pole to pole, such that there is a bulge around the equator. Solar eclipse is a type of eclipse that occurs when the moon passes between the Sun and Earth, and the moon fully or partially blocks the Sun. Lunar eclipses occur when Earth's shadow blocks the Sun's light, which otherwise reflects off the moon. In this lesson, you will learn about the Sun and the Earth. Unit 1. The Earth. 1. The Sun and the Earth. We know that the Sun gives us light and heat. Hence, it is called a star. There are a number of stars in the universe, but the Sun is the nearest star to the Earth. The Sun and the 9 planets that go round the Sun are collectively called the solar system. The 9 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. There are many other smaller planets that go round the Sun called asteroids. Except Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites, natural. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Solar System. Jupiter is the largest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. Our Earth occupies the 5th position. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 15 crore kilometers. The Earth. Our Earth is a very beautiful planet, and the distance between the Sun and the Earth made life possible on the Earth. It is protected from the ultraviolet rays of the Sun by the upper layer of the atmosphere, that is, ozone layer. Shape of the Earth. We know that the shape of the Earth is spherical like a ball. Aryabhatta, an eminent astrologist and greatest mathematician of India, was the first person in the world to state about the shape of the Earth, eclipses and distances between the Sun and the Earth and the Moon. Later, Aristotle and Copernicus also proved the same. Columbus's discovery of America, Magellan's travel round the world, Yuri Gagarin's travel into space, Neil Armstrong's travel to the Moon, and the photographs of the Earth taken by the spacecrafts also revealed that the Earth is spherical in shape. Motions of the Earth. The Earth has 2 motions, 1. Rotation and 2. Revolution. 1. Rotation. The Earth rotates on an imaginary axis from the west to the east. It is like the spinning of a top. The Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds, roughly 1 day, to complete one rotation. Due to the rotation of the Earth, the days and nights are caused. While rotating on its axis, one half of it comes opposite to the earth and receives the sunlight. That part of the earth has daytime. The other part of the earth would remain in dark. It is called nighttime. Due to this motion, one half of the earth always will have either day or night. 2. Revolution. Besides spinning on its axis, the earth also revolves round the sun. It is called revolution. The fixed path of the revolution of the earth is called an orbit. It is elliptical in shape. The earth takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes, roughly 1 year, to complete one revolution. The earth is inclined at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Due to this inclination, seasons are caused as well as the length of daytime and nighttime and changes in temperature take place. Eclipses. We are aware that the moon revolves round the earth and the earth revolves round the sun. In this movement, sometimes the sun, the earth and the moon come in a straight line and eclipses occur. Solar eclipse. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, its shadow falls on the earth and the sun is not visible to us. This is called solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs only on a new moon day. Lunar eclipse. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, its shadow falls on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day. These eclipses will not occur on every new moon day and full moon day, and an eclipse could be partial or total. Let's revise the important points. 1. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. 2. The sun and the 9 planets that go round the sun are collectively called the solar system. 3. Jupiter is the largest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. 4. The earth has 2 motions, rotation and revolution. 5. Solar eclipse occurs only on a new moon day. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day.